Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 7, chapter vectors, exercise 1, question number 6. So let's look at the question. The question is two positions, the position vectors of point A, B, C relative to origin. So basically positional vectors of 3 points are given to us. And again the angle part. And then we have to find the angle, triangle ABC. Okay, and I understand what is point of discussion here. So A, B, and C. So the position vectors are given to us. So A, B, and C is given to us. Okay. Now find the angle between AB and AC. If C find the angle between AC, we can find by cos theta. And then we have to find the triangle ABC. So triangle ABC, here we have found the cosine of the angle, and then again AB cross AC sine theta has been used. Instead of that, because we have the components, let's try by using the other way. So AB cross AC, cross product. So again, area of triangle formed by AB and AC. Area of triangle formed by AB and, area of triangle formed by AB and AC vector. Area of triangle formed by AB and AC vector is half of AB cross AC. So let's just attempt this one. It's an application of the cross product. So what is AB here? So let me write A here. A is 7, 3 minus 3, and B is 4, 2 minus 4, and C is 5, 4, and minus 5. Now let's write AB here. AB is 7 minus 4, 3. Doesn't matter. We can do either way also. So 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Okay. Don't get confused. Actually, if we actually have to report AB, it should be B minus 1. But here, because we have to take the cross product and the mod, so it doesn't matter. But let's not get confused. So 4 minus 7 is minus 3. 2 minus 3 is 1. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So let's not get confused here. So if I have to write AC vector, it always is C minus. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. And minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. And I have to find the cross and mod of that. Cross product, since we are in vectors, so you have already done in physics how to find cross product of the two vectors if the components are given to us. So minus 3 minus 1, then minus 2, 1, and minus 2. So I component 2 plus 1, 3 minus j, 2 minus and plus 1. So j is again 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And k 3 minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 5. Okay, so calculation you can check. And because you have to find mod of this, so this is nothing but 9 plus 16 plus 25, whatever the answer is, divided by 2. So the calculation is not important. Just look at the process. Process is application of cross product. So if two vectors are given to us and the triangle formed by the two vectors, it is AB cross AC divided by 2. Find the cross by the determinant method, IJK. Take the mod. Then take the mod divided by 2. That should give you the answer of the triangle. Thank you.